Hi, everybody. Today, I want to introduce you to My Etch, a plugin for Etch workflow that I've been working on for last few months. It's gonna introduce a premium UI components that you're gonna be able to that will save you so much time and will introduce some functionalities that are just not possible to do with Edge currently. What's going to be included in V1 is UI components and full facet system. And of course, I'm the most excited for the facet system that's going to be built with Edge components. So it's extremely integrated into Edge that I will show you how it works in the second. Components for V1 is going to be accordion dialog, lightbox, carousel, tabs, drawer, and nav builder, and the whole facet system. You can see it's in action. I built two case studies. You can see its advanced product page, stripe like navigation. So you can see facet system in action. There's checkboxes, radios that looks like buttons, search, selects. There's a pagination, of course. So everything's going to be included in V1. You're going to be able to build very complex facet systems from the first day that's plugin going to be released. Second example is stripe-like navigation, of course. So we have our menu, and you can see there's this extremely nice, snappy slide-like animation between different examples. What is extremely nice is that you can see there's a columns overlay navigation, so like components navigation, and only here are links. And even those are just like some columns. You can still generate a mobile menu from it that's going to look like this, and it will include those targeted columns if this is something that you would, for example, like to have. So it's going to be extremely flexible. That's basically the goal, for it to be as flexible and utilitarian as possible, for you to utilize. The third very important part of My Etch from the first day is in builder documentations for them. So inside Edge, you're going to see there's a My Etch components new button that you can access, and it's going to include all documentations for every component straight from the builder. So you don't need to basically, I removed another layer of magic areas. Yeah, so documentations are inside of it. There's a settings for it. You can disable family that you don't need. What family means is that a dialog component is not just an individual component. There are different parts of this dialog component that are interacting together. They work together to compose the most flexible way for you to basically create whatever you want with this. Yeah. And the most important part is that for now I have just a single demo for this that I built especially for this video. Is there's gonna be a pattern section for each component where you can have a fully interactive pattern. Okay, this is what I want. Perfect. I'll copy this pattern, go to my layout, paste it, and voila, I have the accordion on the front end. There's an accordion. If you're gonna go back to Edge, it works here, so it's very easy to style, because of course we utilizing the Edge class props, so every accordion can be different, etc. It's as flexible as possible, and you can do whatever you want with it. If you want to use loops, you can. You don't need to build every item separately. You can, of course, have loop. You can just wrap it with the loop. If you're gonna have here a 1, 2, 3, why not? Again, you have 4 items, 5 items, etc. So every component is just integrate it to Etch as extremely as possible. And if you want to look at the facet system demo, you can see that those are not shortcuts or anything like that. Those every piece of that is built with Etch, so everything is available for you in the builder for very easy way to style it, to configure it, etc. I'm I'm just super excited for this release. I hope it's gonna. I hope I'm gonna release it next week. I highly encourage you to sign up for the newsletter. Wink, wink. It's worth it if you're gonna be interested in buying the plugin. I for sure wanna invite you to the Facebook group I created for the plugin, where we can brainstorm ideas, and my YouTube channel, where I'm gonna be spamming tutorials for every accordion, every component, how to use facets, etc. If the inline documentation won't gonna be enough, I know we all love videos, tutorials, so I will try to provide as many as possible for you guys. And yeah, if I can ask you to if you have any questions, of course, spam them here in the comments. I hope to answer all of them. And yeah, I'm super excited. See you soon.